Hello everyone, welcome to our channel. Today I'm going to explain you all about Betatron. So let's start. Betatron. What is Betatron? Betatron is a device for speeding up electrons to extremely high energies with the help of expanding magnetic field. It is essentially a transformer with a torus-shaped vacuum tube and its secondary coil. An alternating current in the primary coil accelerates electron in the vacuum along the circular path. The Betatron was first machine capable of producing electron beam at energies higher than could be achieved with a simple electron gun, and the first circular oscillator in which particle orbited at a constant radius. It was constructed in 1941 by Donald Quest at the University of Illinois. Construction. Betatron consists of highly evacuated angular tube D known as donut chamber. The chamber is placed between the poles of an electromagnet excited by an alternating current frequency of 60 or 180 Hz. Electrons are produced by electron gun and are injected into donut at the beginning of each cycle of alternate current. The increasing magnetic flux gives rise to a voltage gradient around the donut which accelerates the orbiting electrons. So here is the constant radius of Betatron. Here's the image of Betatron, how it looks. So now its principle. The principle of the Betatron is the same as that of a transform, in which an alternating current applied to a primary coil induces an alternating current in the secondary. In between secondary coil is replaced by a donut-shaped vacuum chamber. When the electron is injected in donut, the alternating magnetic field has two effects. An electromotive force is produced in the electron orbit by changing magnetic flux that gives an additional energy to the electrons. Second point is a radial force is produced by the reaction of magnetic field whose direction is perpendicular to the electron velocity, which keeps the electrons moving in the circular path. Next is operation. Electrons from the electron gun are injected into donut-shaped vacuum chamber when the magnetic field is just rising from its zero value in the first quarter cycle. The electrons now make several thousand revolutions and gain energy. When the magnetic field has reached its maximum value, the electrons are pulled out from their orbit. Either they strike a target and produce X-ray or emerge from the apparatus through a window. Here's the graph. Here Betatron condition. Consider an electron is moving in a circular orbit of radius r in the magnetic field. Let at any instant B be the magnetic field at this orbit, and the total magnetic flux through the orbit is phi b. the flux phi b increases at the rate of d dt of phi b, and the induced EMF in the orbit is given by induced EMF equals to d dt of phi b. Work done on electron in one revolution is equals to induced EMF into charge, which is equals to minus d dt of phi b into E. Thus, work done must be equal to the tangential force F acting on the electron multiplied by the length of the orbit path, that is, work done equals to force into distance, which is equals to F into 2 pi r. Therefore, F equals to 2 pi r equals to minus d dt of phi b into E. F equals to minus E by 2 pi r into d dt of phi b. Just rearranging the above equation. So the force F will increase the electron energy, and which in turn would tend to increase the orbit of large radius of the orbit. The force experienced by the electron must be counteract. Suppose the velocity of the electron is v and its mass is m. When the electron moves in an orbit of radius r, under the action of field of magnetic induction B, the inward radial force BeV is to be equal to the upward centrifugal force mv2 by r. Therefore, BeV is equals to mv2 by r. Rearranging the above equation, we get mv equals to ber. So now, according to Newton's law, the force is defined at the rate of change of momentum. We know that the equation P equals to mv, that is F equals to d dt of ber, which is equals to er dv by dt. To maintain the radius constant, the value of F given in equation 2 and equation 4 should numerically, hence E by 2 pi r into d dt of phi b is equals to er dv by dt. So d dt of phi b equals to 2 pi r square dv by dt. E get cancelled. Integrating the above equation, we get phi b equals to 2 pi r square b. So this equation is known as the Betatron condition. Thank you.